Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I am your friend Sam and I will tell you the top 5 brand new features you can find in Android 11. So let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
First, it comes with a native screen recording feature. Google has been toying around with adding a built-in screen recorder to Android, and Android 11 pretty much confirms the feature will launch this year in the second beta. Capturing device audio is now supported, all but assuring us that the stable release will include this long-awaited feature. Second, it comes with muting notifications during video option. Android 11 will let you mute notifications while you're recording video. Third, it increases your device touch sensitivity. Google added an Increase Touch Sensitivity option to the settings menu that lets you, increase the sensitivity of your touchscreen. Fourth, notification history feature. Android 11 DP1 hinted at a notification history option and DP2 basically confirmed it. The new feature looks like it will be pretty useful. And the last but not least, auto revoke app permissions feature. Android 11 DP3 has introduced a new option to automatically revoke permissions such as camera, location, and more, from apps that haven't been USSD for a while. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel Techno Trend for more awesome videos.